What up, guys? This is kind of be like an update with everything going on. Kind of a sneak peek into some of the stuff that's going on right now. We're moving again. Moving from that barn to this new shed. Yeah, it's smaller. It's bigger than the old shed. But you see that right there? We're gonna insulate this shed right here. And we're gonna have air conditioning, and we can still. This gives me plenty of room. I got my computer, my studio stuff set up, computer set up here. All my toolboxes over here, and this still gives us plenty of room to bring in riding motors and stuff to work on. So, oh, and it's got a loft. So, that's what's going on there. I got the sticker boards hung up there. If anybody wants to send us some stickers over here for me to mount on my wall, send me an email at Brandon@BS-Small-Engine. Link's always down in every video. So I got my welding gear set up in here. Fancy new jack. But that ain't all. We got some other cool stuff here too. Let me grab my keys so I can get the one where I put my keys real quick, and we'll walk over there to what I'm talking about. Hey, y'all ready for this? Boom! A new tractor. We got a tractor, a little diesel tractor, Farm Pro 24, 25, four-wheel drive, front loader. The cylinders up here need replaced. Well, maybe replaced. That one looks bent. I don't know if it's actually bent or actually. Looks like they're probably over. So that's gonna be the expensive part. I might just take the loader off until I can afford to replace that. The guy who owned it, well, a friend of ours, dad passed away, and his dad welded this to it, which is not a bad idea. Probably not the prettiest looking welds, but not a bad idea for engine hoist like that. I like it. But anyway, I had I'm in the process of flushing the system out. He put gear oil for some reason in the hydraulic system, so I'm flushing that out. Getting a new wheel tire to put in that tire soon. And well, anyway, let's close the hood on this and y'all can hear it run. Hold on. For like 2 years, and it fired right up like that with a battery in it. I love the smell of diesel. So that's the other new thing. I'm kind of undecided. I thought about fixing that up after I get this fixed up, and possibly selling it and buying a truck. But then again, I might just keep it and restore it because I take it to a tractor show, and it's so cool having an antique tractor. So I'm a little undecided on that. I mean, I really do need a work truck. We've been pulling my 16-footer with my mom's Explorer, and we're about we're about to tear up her Explorer. Keep doing that, unfortunately. So so I'm a little undecided on that. This is still going to be a mess because a lot of that right there is trash left over from the previous owner, but we haven't got it fully cleaned out yet because we got repairs. I mean, let's y'all see this. That's a repair. That's a repair. That's a repair. That's a repair. There's more on the way, and there's a 2013 Dodge Charger around front needing a drive shaft put in. So that's what we got lined up. So we've been a little busy. The helping clean out that property last week kind of put us behind schedule on a lot of stuff. And on top of that, the go-kart, remember the Unicorn Mobile? Bro, I haven't got it painted, and I just ain't got enough time. My niece's birthday is Sunday, this Sunday, so I got to put it back together, just get it running and driving, and then later on I can tear it back apart and paint it the right way. I probably won't make a video of putting it back together because I want to still got to do the paint video and, you know, all that stuff for that series. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and if you don't mind, share this out because my numbers has been going up and down, up and down, up and down. And if I can get to 700, we'll do some kind of giveaway. We'll do a giveaway at 700, and then we'll do a bigger giveaway at 1,000. So go ahead, share it out. Tell everybody you know about me, about this channel. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching.